Python, decryption failed or bad record MAC when calling from thread. I'm getting a decryption failed or bad record MAC error in this code fragment. This is called in the run method of a thread, several times in a while, true loop. I'm just opening a connection to my PostgresQL database using the scop2 driver. Any idea of how safe is opening DB connections into threads in Python? I don't know what is raising this error.
Okay, looks like I've fixed the problem. I was creating too many connections and seems I was running out of memory or something. I gathered all the queries and do cursor to execute, once with a huge query, instead performing hundreds of small queries/connections.
The cause of this issue could be there were too many processes, were trying to access Postgres, it was not able to handle that. I was using Django and Postgres and Beanstalk, adding options, column, slow mode, column, disable DE in the database config helped.
Postgresql.